Man dies in first known fatal case of Alaskapox. Alaska state health officials said that a man died last month of the virus, which occurs mostly in small mammals and causes lesions. There have been 7 reported human cases since 2015. Alaskapox was first identified in 2015 in a woman who lived near Fairbanks, Alaska, and there have been a total of 7 cases of the virus reported to the Alaska section of epidemiology. Until last month, no one had been hospitalized or died of Alaskapox, which can also cause swollen lymph nodes and muscle or joint pain, Alaska epidemiology officials said on Friday. Of the 7 people who have had Alaskapox, 6 lived in the Fairbanks North Star borough, where red-backed voles and shrews have been found to have the virus, according to the Alaska Department of Health. Alaskapox has not been found to spread between humans. Dr. Julia Rogers, an epidemiologist with the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, said in an interview on Tuesday that the symptoms from Alaskapox infection were generally mild. The Alaska section of epidemiology, which did not release the name of the man who died of the virus, said in a statement that he was an elderly man from the Kenai Peninsula with a history of drug-induced immunosuppression. Alaska health officials said that it was still unclear how the man had contracted the virus. The man lived alone in a forested area, had not traveled recently, or had close contact with someone who had traveled recently, according to the state health department. The man told doctors that he had been caring for a stray cat at his home, and that the cat often scratched him, including once near his right armpit, about a month before he noticed a red papule had formed there in September 2023, Alaska health officials said. The cat was later tested for other orthopox viruses, and all tests were negative, according to the health department. Still, health officials said it was possible that the stray cat could have been the source of the virus. Dr. Rogers said that it was possible that the stray cat's claws were carrying the virus from scratching around other rodents. But we can't say for certain how the specific mode of transmission occurred with this patient or for the previous patients, Dr. Rogers said. Dr. Joe McLaughlin, an Alaska state epidemiologist and chief of the Alaska section of epidemiology, said in an interview that all patients who have had Alaskapox have had a cat or a dog, and that health officials are working to determine what role domestic pets may play in the spread of the virus. Because Alaskapox is rare, our number